Assalamualaikum grade 7 students. As in my previous video we started with the little introduction of monsoon, so I am going to explain today the last topic, monsoon. Before going to start my video, as in every video I say, open your book first, open page number 8 to make sure that you should understand my topic perfectly. So today our topic is monsoon. Monsoon are like land and sea breezes on a much larger scale. In general, the winds blow from the northeast from 6 months of the year and from the southwest from the other 6 months. Though sometimes the wind direction is deflected or turned by a little light or for other reasons. The land heats up, the air above it rises, pulling in cooler air from over the sea. The air is full of moisture because it crosses the ocean and drops much of this as rain. When it reaches the land in the cool season, the land is colder while the sea remains warm. The air over the sea now rises, drawing in air from the land. This air is dry, so that the 6 months of the northeastern winds have little moisture in them and little rain falls. So this is all about the direction of monsoon, that how its breezes take place and how it flows from one part to the other part. In the Muslim world, only the subcontinent and Southeast Asia are affected by monsoons. Means only the subcontinent means that India and Pakistan as well as Southeast Asia face the monsoon breezes. Southerly monsoon bring heavy rainfall over 400 millimeter a year, so that in most places there is thick rich vegetation such as in tropical forest. Pakistan gets its monsoon rains from July to September, but these winds are turned and come from the southeast rather than the southwest. As a result, they have to cross India first and they drop much of their rain in India after coming to the Pakistan. Only the north of the country of Pakistan gets real monsoon. On the other hand, in much of Malaysia and Indonesia, both northerly and southerly monsoons come across the ocean, so that these countries get rainfall throughout the year. Which two countries? Malaysia and Indonesia. Pakistan also has winds from the west in the December to March. These are called the westerly depressions and they do bring a little rain. Although they have dropped most of their moisture during their long journey across Iran and Afghanistan. So, before finishing this topic, I am going to ask you one question that you should search and give me answer in Google Classroom. Did you know that word monsoon comes from which language? Search it and give me answer in the comment section on Google Classroom. So now, as I finish the monsoon topic, our second chapter is closed. So now, if you have any sort of confusion or you want to any question from the whole chapter, you can ask me in Google Classroom and I will give you answer over there. I will post you exercises, I will post you assignments as well, so do complete them. As well as if you have any sort of question according to the chapter, you can ask me on Google Classroom and I will give you answer over there. Thank you very much.